So guys, as you can see, I've been at Amunum CBD, as you can see. And yeah, Magasar as usual. So again, that's how we do an occupancy. Masina don't talk. What's good, man? We out here. Let me wipe my screen. We out here, man, in town. And today we're gonna go and buy some furniture, some house utensils. My utensils, they are my tools. They are by my name. And yeah, those who think that I'm in South Africa, I'm not in South Africa. I'm out here in Zimbabwe. So yeah, guys, go with me. Floating a machine, she passes around some colors and stuff. So yeah, just make sure to stay tuned. Why the vlog at the end? It's really weird to vlog here in Zimbabwe. It's like but yeah, man, I'm doing a Cameroon. My sister don't the feelings, but yeah, I'm out here. I'm chilling. Let's go and check what's cooking. Let's go. I've already done my payments in the ship embedded. Unfortunately, I'm sure much about our videos. I got this late regos. In the Muno Zimbabwe, I don't go miss it. Varambo and my videos, my pictures, not the cheap. So I'm just gonna show you Canada. What I say, Canada, and stuff. But then yeah, now I'm going to check my Sinasara, the legs of my broom, my plates, mirror. My gas stove and stuff. So guys, make sure you stay tuned. You understand? Guys, really expensive here in Zimbabwe. Then I don't know area 8. I don't talk about on a cheap. But you're spending a lot of hundreds with taking a bed. Can then I go take and go bondi, Rupasa, Massa, South Sudan. But anyways, guys, you mean gonna do what you mean gonna do. You understand? So let's go and see what's popping. And yeah, make sure you stay tuned. And so yeah, man, ungati uri muZimbabwe uchingotenga masini kawani kuZimba anoti kana ambotenga masini ambotasa masini nemwe shop anoenda kunotaza kuti nemwe shop. You understand? So yeah, now I'm going to Muhammad Musa. Ndimonoita price comparison ndimonoda offer. Now ndabuda muchimwe shop changu chandabuda kuZasuko. And yeah, I'm going to Muhammad Musa munonoti zvandira kutsvaga ndingazvawane because zvachina zvikudhura zvachina sikwanika zvekutenga zvinhu mushop iyi ndotakura ndoenda munemwe shop zvinoboya. You understand? So I'm trying to buy one shop. You understand? So yeah, guys, let's go and see what's popping. Let's go and check what's happening. You understand? So yeah, let's go to Muhammad Musa. Jango. Inonzi Muhammad Musa. Gore ripi? Madezi atanga kupisa ndo mazuva apesera kwandekoko, but I still remember somewhere in the church office. I think it's down there. Apo pa Nations, see? Chiposta chiraba wecho. If I'm not mistaken. I'm sure they are paid manje. So if you can tell Shanda, those are people that no longer talk about it. They are bonita. They say kwa Musa. But yeah, let's go and check with Shona of the road. They're gonna be paid. Understand? Let's go. Let's check. Let's go. Let's get it. Ya pera gente. Unataka kuona ni side post. gamai haisiro musi atinoziva, but anyways maybe tikujaja book by its cover. Apa padenga cover ramunyatsoti airoda kujaji kweli ziya, but hapana sitiwa mana ezve timbosvika timbonoti zvinopera sei. You understand? Yo, tasvika. Iyi mahomadi efurniture. Not efurniture sacho. Yezvivakwa. Yemasimbi ezvivakwa. Saka makavharwa. Ngeri mupinda munoona, not missing mabeds muna mahomadi. Pamwe pangu ngakatori cheaper probably than a shop erera sei. Yadatenga, you understand? But it is this go and still see what's popping. Maybe tunakuona zvatiri kuda imomo. Pandikaona mune mabeds akachipa ndingarwadziwa because ndikuona furniture imomo. Ndikuona furniture ndingarwadziwa singaite, but yeah, let's just go and check kuti unoti tiwane. Umu ndeme hardware ko. Mahomadi musa hardware. I don't think ndiwana zvandiri kudiwa mini. I don't think so. I doubt. Let me just go and check. But I doubt. Imi, kwa kusuna musa ita zutinza magrosari na mama sisi. I doubt ndiwana zvanoda mana. Ndingoro check iro chirango, but I doubt ndiwana zvanoda. Anyways, let's just go and check what's popping there. Mungwanika building material cheta man. Building material ndirongwanika muno. Nemasimbi what do you call it? Nemasimbi ekuvakisa. Naidotenga kagasi tengi Mahomadi Musa. Ndakaona kachiti 22 years. Not sure though I'm going to karuta mari. Kagasi ka 3 kgs. Not sure kuti mari mari. Nangoti angwani kama ndotenga. I'm not sure though. So guys, I'm the one who has been lost for that. Nazoona Mahomadi Musa wholesalers. So in a hard way, kuvaita yemasimende, kuvaita inonzi wholesale yacho. So let's go and check the wholesale machine mambo mirasi. Do I not track exactly Mahomadi Musa wholesale? Saka ya get pine bonoti. Zvinopera seyo so varikurowa. Anyways, we roll. Let's go and check. Entrance actually number good. Where is the entrance? So price itranga inombochinja kubva dzinenge tennis bags dzandabva kuchikoro. Ndiwo price rakangotengwa namai vangu $60. Saka zviri kuti kubva ipapo arozomugara rachinja. Arozomugara rachinja price. That's crazy, right? Sasa songoro kuti price yematranga itongori fixed. Asi remember ndichitanga form 1. Ndoma rakasengwa tranga muno. Ichiri kupisa shop ino. Manje kujeso ngo hari ufanzira ufa. Musina masina mbonya kuwanda zvodaro. Ende mungwanika grocery chete. So I think munoda kuchoda masini kana tuck shop. Because ndo sandunguona chete so far. Okay. So guys, ndabuda muna Mahomadi. Bed engeri moved. Gembo dongo ra magas shops up. Mbona ndafu. Guys, mzimuka. Baba zvafana ni shop like andiri no. Ine masina kanaka songaide baranga chitengeswa ni nemazigi. Mshada mwana zamumbita sije sasa. Ndozishaya. Amana guys, ngokuthi uyisirwa kwatenshi kwethu masina itonge nama headboard ananaka. You end up asking yourself kudumbo chidiko chinhu chacho. You end up asking yourself because sometimes it's not even necessary. Bruh, I'm telling you. Who's goes 150? Chitsago. Chitsigiro. Chinjongeza kusoro mbede. Autombo chitsigire sometimes ndingoche display. Nongoti kongozvitengera mapilo angu zvangu ndinofera. Mama sina tiri kudzwa. Mama price achino tonoti ama price kusatya Mwari. Kunyazo kuti uyu munhu ari kure ne religious ushu. Haende kuchitendero munhu. pakashata ndakwara nekutendera mana anyways ngemdzokere mushopera tanga kupinda ndikunopika one or two things ndabude momo and then I will come back again ndotonhonga kuti mamasini because ndachana kuona zvakaita kuti zvimwe shop and yo and it's really stressing. I don't want to lie. So ndatongoona chigaya kutongotenga ndichora tofamba ndichomuvha ndinenge ndachienda pedza ndonotora bed rangu and then headboard nda order from somewhere they're gonna deliver it at home, so stressful. What's good, Amanda? So now I finna go to look for transport. I wanna go and look for transport, and then this is the then you understand? But pakashata, like what all the luggage you understand? So yeah, let's go and see what Zimbabwe say. Because I'm on. Things are really expensive in Zimbabwe, like really expensive zvekudaro kwete mbichanaka zvekudaro zvitorevesa aeneza. Let's go and see this. Ndatsvaga kumana nezvimarori ipapapo chonewo karori kadiki apo ndomawanhere vapo emadi amana it's hectic. Ndaona chirori chinotakura masini but congestion mutaona chinoda kunetsa compared kuda kuvhara my Magdalene cities here. Enjoy, it's hectic. Mari yacho apakashata.
When was that one? Sanga guy. Inde vinototenga. Saka tozonana zeshe. Ndakamira pa entrance yekiso. Si vera nekiso zvakatesa mudai. Asiri side.
So guys, wagwan I'm back. As you can see, I'm sitting in a lorry. So guys, I'm not tramping down man. Ndapedza kushupa mamasini. And yeah, now let me show you. I said don't go kumashure masini angu because vananda pickpocket. Vananonhonga masini waize vananonhonga masini. So yo traffic ndo red. So ndasanzwa ngigare kumashure kuno. Ndine masini acho as you can see. Para kuloka. Bana atosvika chete.
Abapindiki zokumanya.
Pane wewe. Jewe gega.
Wewe gatoti one way inongoda.
Pakanyangara alright. So guys, paripari kwenu. Ati half past. Zambo nguva ipi? Half past 5. Izo zangu wai. Toda kudzibara 20 minutes katazosvika. Kana pane pekupaka titakure mbedha wacho. Ebe ndona kutsvaka pekupaka tongonobatirana. Kana zvichibvira. Alright, but it's still tomowane re baba. At least kana tatombokwanisa kuwana mbedha zvinhu zviri nani. Kana tambokwanisa kutora mbedha zvinhu zviri nani. I think vanopindika. Zvinhu zviri kufamba hadzo. Ngatimboedza timboona. What's my particular number just next to Bata? So guys, hectic. Traffic iriko pakashata. Sinokwenda kubhata ukoko. And look at the traffic zvakaita. So it's hectic because traffic action asasi. Abasi kwanza tipinde mota but pakashata, we don't have option. Now tauchikira kuti pamwe mota naso tauchikira pamwe shop inona kuvhara. Shop yakavhara manje sada kuleta masina high crisis. So yeah, let's see zvinopera sei because amawani. We really need to carry that bed and we have to. And also ndauchikira kuti time dze delivery headboard because akuma headboard afaro deliver after headboard apa nasada svika kumba. So pakashata. The traffic in Zimbabwe. Kuloka current situation mawani. I think ndofunga vanhu vanongondona ndakagara mashure kunoka vakangoti akambrokuniga kakasana mari transporter kari kujegera rori ndoona totora mapictures ozongoona kusenda pazimu celebs but haisiso ari ngendenge susu tisana team hatikendenge. You understand guys, matoilets apana pari kunhuhwa matoilets apa pa epa bhate matoilets aya yo they smell so bad and ndopatiri papa and I can even smell them from here. But here guys, stay tuned, we will show you kana tasvika pane mbedha wacho here close mawana. The traffic here is crazy, like for real, super crazy. Yo, it's hectic. Let's just hope we will manage to enter there. Let's just hope. These guys we managed finally. I think it's somewhere there, Baba. I think it's somewhere. Jepapi? I think it's Abapere. Umumu. Yeah, Imumu. Yeah, Papa. So guys, finally we managed to get to the shop. Yo. Finally. Kabuda. So guys, finally watakurwa mbedha wacho. Watakurwa. Sine kana si. So guys, finally Shabuda. As you can see, I'm sitting at the end. Guys, the Garabadenga, everyone is looking at me like crazy. Like it's crazy for real. Guys, zero normal way zvandakuita mana. Zviku normalize kuenda kana mtown nema crocs like this. Zero normal way. Haina ndinonge zviku normal. Ndinonge zviku normal. Zvinhu ndo normalize zvacho. Nekuzara kwenda mtonas guys. Like it's crazy. The way congested town, the way kuzara kwaita people in town, it's crazy, bro. Yo. But anyways guys, we're now going. Yeah, I'm sitting outside. That's good one. I know nonga masina hangu na papa yo. Since I'm in traffic, you understand? But when I'm sitting in traffic, I'm gonna go and sit in the front, on the front, so that I'm quarantine chando. But for now, since it's in traffic in town, that's good one. I know nonga masina hangu like the likes of my plates, my duster pants and stuff. Since the is nonga nongeka, so that I can go mashire kuno from town only. And then I think I'm traffic, I'll go and sit in the front because I'm point chando kuno and stuff, you know that. So you guys stay tuned. and watch the vlog to the end. Let's go, let's get it. Danko. Hell, the traffic is crazy, bro. Like for real. Crazy traffic. Guys, amana ikata sapa rutondo hapo panofungiza mazwana ndiri mbodha tienda kuchikoro ndopate kukwirira mabhazi kuenda kuchikoro apa chiground ichochichi chinonzi rutendo ichi ipapa pakuona pane green pamuri kuona ipapa apa ndopaimira bhazi rechikoro chedu papa iground rebhazi rechikoro chandakadzidza papa api ndopaunorende kana ndopaunogumidzwa chete papa cheunja yeschool ipapa pakuona ipapa so every time pandopasa through panapa kutangofunga mamemories eku high school ndakatakura kamuna kangu ndichikrosa road apa tikutana kukura mana mai manje papa chaiko rutondo takatakura kamuna kine mazita kandbeg netisangi nene right now zvezvo takutopfuura choti takambopfuura napapa asi tokwadi kutana kukure but anyways traffic ndekutirova pakashata alright abo guys ndakunogara kumberi asi kunokwabo hapana chandibira so let's go. Okay, alright kunameta bonito. So yeah guys, it's now late and imagine the guys that are delivering the headboard, they just called me now kutashika. So I had to rush to the bus stop and look for them. I'm not papa but I wrote Rashika. Then I said, Bozi Pandogara and Pana moms just producing values. But yeah, let me check with one and then I will get the headboard delivered today. And this was Ramangwana. So guys, I'm gonna show you the other video Mangwana. Yeah. Pray house to Nini. Today just see property only very far never. So I guess we motor boat. Them is Olatu. Ulimu do you white. Uone my glass. Okay, I stood all simple. My glass, that's my cousin. My glasses, I mean, Matagura, no batiro. No batiro. Huh? Yeah, no time. Do it double. You will make gentlemen double. Because I'm a queen of one. Very good. Fora do gratidão depois da hora do gravão time da luz do embora. Ele já fez isso. Oh. Oyo. I bet guys, thank you for watching the video to the end. Please make sure you like, you comment, you share, and you subscribe to my channel for more emo content and things. And that's what we're wrapping up. So in the next vlog, I'm gonna be showing you the fully finished house, right? And the house actually. So today, because I know you guys who don't watch this vlog till the end. So if I give you everything, munoskipa, till the end, so yeah, for today is enough. Thank you guys for watching. I love you so much. Tango.